The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be one of the most exciting APS-C cameras in recent years. The original R7 already set a high bar by combining impressive reach, speed, and modern autofocus in a compact, versatile body. Now, rumors point to a significant upgrade, a 40-megapixel stack sensor that could elevate what APS-C cameras are capable of. While 40 megapixels on APS-C might sound ambitious, it aligns with Canon's philosophy of offering APS-C as a parallel system to full-frame, capable of professional-grade performance rather than serving as a downsized or budget alternative. The potential stacked, backside illuminated design is where things get truly interesting. Stacked sensors dramatically improve readout speeds, which impacts rolling shutter, burst performance, and autofocus responsiveness. For photographers shooting fast-moving subjects, whether in wildlife, sports, or street photography, this could mean smoother, more predictable results. Electronic shutter operation becomes more reliable, minimizing distortions during panning and making high-speed photography more accessible. In effect, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II would not just deliver higher resolution, it would transform how fluid and confident the camera feels in real-world use. Autofocus performance is likely to see a notable boost. While the original R7's autofocus was already impressive, unpredictable subject movement could still expose limits. A stacked sensor combined with advanced processing could reduce these moments of hesitation, giving photographers more confidence in tracking subjects across multiple frames. Coupled with faster burst rates, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could turn APS-C into a deliberate choice for action photography, offering both speed and reliability. This would make the camera particularly appealing to wildlife and sports photographers who demand consistency in fast-paced situations. Video capabilities are also expected to benefit significantly. While some might focus on the theoretical possibility of 8K, the true advantage lies in efficiency, readout speed, and heat management. Stacked sensors allow cleaner 4K oversampling, reducing rolling shutter and enabling longer recording times. For hybrid creators, this combination would deliver stable, detailed, and color-accurate footage, allowing the Canon EOS R7 Mark II to serve as both a stills and video tool. While it may not replace a full cinema setup, it could provide the flexibility needed for vlogging, YouTube content, and documentary-style shooting. Design-wise, Canon is rumored to maintain the familiar layout of the R7. The original model already balanced ergonomics, weather sealing, and handling, and incremental refinements are likely. Connectivity upgrades, such as faster Wi-Fi and deeper integration with the RF lens ecosystem, will streamline workflow for photographers shooting on location. With a higher resolution sensor and enhanced processing, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II would appeal to hybrid shooters seeking a single camera capable of handling diverse scenarios without compromise. Alongside the R7 Mark II, Canon is also expected to release a more accessible APS-C option aimed at beginner creators, the R100V. This camera appears to prioritize practicality, portability, and usability for vloggers and casual photographers. The R100V is rumored to feature a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor paired with a Digic 8-class processor, offering solid still image quality, dependable color reproduction, and easy-to-use autofocus. Dual-pixel autofocus with eye detection in around 143 AF zones is expected to handle basic subject tracking well, making the camera suitable for talking head videos, casual action shots, or general photography. Video on the R100V seems designed for accessibility rather than professional-level work. Uncropped 4K at 30 frames per second, 4K 60p in a cropped mode, and Full HD at 60 FPS for slow motion are all rumored. While it may lack Canon log for advanced color grading, a 10-bit HDR PQ mode should help beginners achieve punchy, appealing results straight from the camera. This makes the R100V a practical step up from smartphones or older entry-level cameras, offering real versatility without overwhelming features. One of the most notable features for vloggers is the fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen. The flip-out display allows creators to frame shots from low or unusual angles, check their composition while holding a microphone, or shoot in tight spaces. To keep the camera lightweight and affordable, an electronic viewfinder is likely absent, keeping the weight around 356 grams. Additional features such as a single UHS SD card slot, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Canon Camera Connect support provide practical solutions for remote control and image transfer. Continuous shooting at approximately 6.5 frames per second should handle casual action scenarios, and battery life is expected at roughly 450 shots per charge using the E17 battery. Advanced weather sealing and high-end stabilization are likely limited, reflecting Canon's strategy to maintain a sub-$650 price point with the kit lens. The R7 Mark II and R100V together show Canon's dual strategy for APS-C. The R7 Mark II targets advanced enthusiasts and hybrid shooters, emphasizing high performance, reliability, and versatility. Meanwhile, the R100V caters to beginners, prioritizing portability, usability, and accessibility. By covering both ends of the spectrum, Canon ensures APS-C is more than a secondary format, it is a capable, deliberate system that can serve professionals and beginners alike. If the rumored 40-megapixel stack sensor is real, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could fundamentally reshape the expectations for APS-C cameras. The combination of higher resolution, faster readout, improved autofocus, and enhanced burst and video performance means APS-C is no longer just a budget-conscious choice, it is a system that competes meaningfully with full-frame bodies in terms of speed, precision, and versatility. Meanwhile, the R100V provides a practical, reliable entry point for beginner creators, with thoughtful features designed to simplify video and photography workflows without sacrificing image quality. Ultimately, both models reflect Canon's evolving APS-C strategy. The R7 Mark II is positioned as a serious hybrid performer, blending advanced sensor technology, reliable autofocus, and video capabilities into a compact, flexible body. At the same time, the R100V focuses on practical improvements for beginners, offering accessible performance and user-friendly features in a lightweight, manageable package. Together, they signal that APS-C is no longer just an alternative or entry-level format, it is a platform for carefully crafted, capable cameras suitable for a wide range of users. For photographers considering the Canon EOS R7 Mark II, the critical question is whether the rumored sensor and performance upgrades will impact their workflow. For wildlife, sports, action photography, and hybrid shooting, the improvements could be transformative. On the other hand, the R100V offers a sensible, accessible choice for beginners or casual creators who want reliable autofocus, manageable video, and simple operation without breaking the bank. Canon seems to have thoughtfully addressed both ends of the APS-C spectrum, providing tools that reward both skill and intent. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II and R100V together demonstrate that APS-C cameras can offer meaningful innovation and versatility. From advanced hybrid shooters seeking high-speed performance and resolution to beginners looking for a practical, reliable camera, these models reflect Canon's focus on usability, efficiency, and long-term investment in the RF ecosystem. If the rumors hold, these APS-C cameras could quietly redefine expectations, offering advanced features and accessible options within a single, cohesive system. In summary, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II promises a high-performance APS-C experience, balancing resolution, speed, and reliability, while the R100V emphasizes practicality and ease of use for beginners. Canon's dual approach highlights that APS-C is a deliberate choice for professionals and novices alike. With stacked sensors, improved processing, and thoughtful video and stills capabilities, the R7 Mark II could push APS-C into a new era, while the R100V ensures that new creators have access to a capable, user-friendly system.